Okay guys, let's say we want to modify one of our files in our Git repository. We can do that directly by heading into our Git series. Then let's say we want to modify our home.html file. It's our HTML document. We'll go ahead and open it up with our notepad. Then as you can see, we have a couple of stuffs. This is what is inside our home.html. Let's say we want to modify the style. Want to increase our margin by 10 pixels. Want to increase our padding by 20 pixels. Then want to change some HTML text. Want to change this to settings. Okay, then I'll go ahead and hit our save. Now I've successfully modified our home.html file. So we'll head over to our git bash, and then we use a command to check the status of our repository. We use the command, like as you all know, git status, and as you can see, it says even Git actually recognized that we have modified a certain file. We modified our home.html file. So now we have actually modified our home.html file, but Git does not show us like what we actually modified and the place we modified what we modified. To actually check that, it's actually a very simple command. You just enter the command git diff to check the difference between the file you modified and how it was before. So enter the command git diff. As you can see, as you can see, it brought out what we modified. As you can see, remember we changed our margin from 0px to 10px. We changed our padding from 0px to 20px, and we also changed services to settings. So guys, the command to check the difference between your modified files and to check the difference between the way your modified files was before and the way they are now, use the git diff command. So now we're cool with all our changes. So I'm good with this 10px, 20px and these settings. So let's go ahead and quit. Okay. To exit from that mode, you just use your shift : then Q to quit. Then we want to go ahead and save and track our files. So git add, the name of our file was home.html. So then as you can see, we have successfully tracked our home.html, our modified home.html. Hey guys, this is a quiz to make sure you learned something from the session today. Kindly leave your answers in the comment section. Thank you.